Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to talk to you about Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic Bluetooth 47mm. It's a Samsung's flagship smartwatch, expertly immersed, traditionally watch artistic with cutting-edge smart watch functionality. It stands out for its signature rotating physical bezel, a feature that not only enhances its classic look but also offers a tactile and intuitive way to navigate the user interface. This makes it a unique device in the current smartwatch landscape, where most competitors rely solely on touch or guest-based input. Its 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 480 by 480 pixels, delivering sharp, vivid visual with excellent visibility indoors and outdoors. The screen is protected by sapphire crystal glass, offering high resistance to scratches and enduring durability over time. This watch runs on Wear OS 4, customized with Samsung's One UI watch interface. This combination provides the best of both worlds: access to Google's wide app ecosystem via Play Store and Samsung's finely tuned experience with tight integration into Galaxy ecosystem. You can use Google Maps, Gmail, Spotify, and even YouTube Music right from your wristwatch, along with Samsung exclusive features like Samsung Health and Samsung Wallet. The 47 variant is designed for users who prefer a larger watch face, providing more room for interaction and better visibility of notifications and media. There is also a smaller variant, 43mm variant, available for those who prefer a more compact form factor or have a small wrist, both offering the same features set in different sizes to suit different style and comfort preferences. This watch is powered by the new Exynos W930 chipset, paired with 2GB of RAM, 16GB of internal storage, runs smoothly through apps, notifications, and multitasking. Robust health and fitness features monitor active lifestyle like running, walking, cycling, and many more. Battery life is sufficient to last through a day with typical use. The wireless fast charging allows for quick top-up when needed. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and NFC, which supports contactless payments and accurate location tracking without needing to carry your phone. Water and dust resistance are covered with a 5 ATM plus IP68 rating, along with military-grade durability, making it suitable for swimming, outdoor activities, everyday challenge. Offers a premium build with a timeless look, making it suitable for both casual and professional setting. The rotating bezel not only adds a unique touch of nostalgia, but also provides a more tactile and satisfying way to interact with smartwatch. This watch is ideal for Android users, especially those in the Samsung ecosystem looking for a device that balances fitness, smart functionality, and classic design without compromise, while performing a modern digital companion. We're going to unbox this watch, check it out, and see what is inside. And that's Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Look at that. It's beautiful. I like the color. Samsung. So you switch it on from this button. This is very beautiful. I like the quality. Very light, it's not heavy. Samsung Galaxy, secure by Knox. This is the cable. The cable to charge this up. And the information pack. So these are the stuff included in the packaging. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So once it's ready, then you select the language. So this is the unboxing and overview of this watch. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Beautiful watch. This watch deserves your attention. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.